going to try to pull the rock back using the Dodge, the vehicle that already went up the trail and made it look easy. Yeah, if we get it moving, it should roll nice down the hill. We'll never get a strap back out, but
it's worth it.
It's worth it to get your
Piece of shit out.
Your Lime Jeep out.
It should be hooked on two corners. That should at least let it get it move a bit.
Yeah, because you got it down low on the one side. I see.
And then
So
it's high, it's like in a groove on
Yep.
the other side, so
You
it
should pull
shouldn't
it
drop
nice.
or go up.
Should pull it real nice. All right. Nice. Oh yeah.
That should be good. Or just keep going down.
Damn, that was impressive. Okay, you probably could have got the strap out before. Now you're SOL.
It's fine.
If he backs up, I bet you that strap will pull out.
Yeah, I bet it will.